Alan? Yeah, Coach, we'd like to hear your side of the basketball kicking incident.
Alan, you used up your question. That was stupid.
I will not have the first losing season in 40 years at this university.
You are not getting the kind of athletes that we used to.
Yeah, but the program's clean, Chancellor.
It is time to tell Coach Petey Bell to take a hike.
I don't do well with losing, do I?
You've won 2 national championships. You've won 8 conference titles. I don't call this losing.
What efforts are you and your staff making as far as recruiting is concerned?
Who we recruit.
Every one of these players you're looking at, they're just playground kids.
They're a bunch of guys none of the big schools wanted.
I see skill. I see quick. That's what I'm putting on the court.
Where on earth's this coach bringing us?
Coach said things around here were going to be different.
Taco, nacho, burrito. Now I'm looking for hot doggo.
Doesn't look like he was kidding.
You're here to play basketball my way, and my way is hard.
You're in my office, chump. We did not.
This is the life story of Jim Carroll, novelist, musician, and New York legend.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned.
I want you to have responsibility. I don't want you running around the streets of New York.
What's this? Jim's secret diary he's always writing.
Don't you ever touch that again, all right? It's private.
Have you stolen or cheated your fellow man?
Oh, Father, you have no idea.
Have you engaged in impure deeds?
Yeah, but I'm not proud of it.
Wake up, Mr. Carroll. It's later than you think.
What are you going to tell me? They're vitamins?
You think we don't know what you've been doing? And you want to stop. You really do. It's like a dream.
How you like your coaching so far?
Great. Just getting used to the players. What players?
I was never sure how much of you I could let in.
I heard you're coaching basketball.
Yeah, keeps me busy. Keeps my mind off other things, you know.
Once you settle down, baby, here you love has been.
I spent a lot of time hurting myself.
Heavenly Father,
I made a lot of bad decisions.
Don't carry other names.
I had a lot of regrets.
For Michael J. Fox, life hasn't been easy.
Hello. Hi. I'm going through changes.
His voice is changing.
Give me a keg of beer.
Is there anything wrong with me?
He's got hair on his chest. He's stopped being a boy.
What do you think about to get worked up?
At last, he's become...
Scott? Scott Howard? This is your father speaking now.
What's going on here?
We need your help! You heard of the Dream Team? Well, we're the Mean Team.
Ready?
Yeah!
Doc.
Yeah.
You kick it in here. You go to the hole and dominate. We on defense.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. I don't play defense.
Warner Brothers presents Jordan, Bunny.
Special delivery!
Together, they just might save the world. Space Jam. You've never seen.
Morate da budete mnogo dobri u košarci. Ovo je posljednji put da nas neko ovako ponižava.
Somewhere? What you gonna buy your mama, son?
House.
A big house. It's the will of the man. It ain't the skill of the man. Don't be afraid of nobody. Take it.
Go strong, baby.
Like nobody's better than you.
You have a son named Jesus Shuttlesworth? Is your son considered the #1 high school prospect in these United States?
He's awesome, baby, with a capital F.
Governor's made a request that your son seriously consider enrolling in his alma mater, Big State. The governor's given me his word. He'll do everything in his power to cut your time here short. The NC2A deadline is 1 week.
A basketball hero around here is treated like a god.
You know, most people would kill, be treated like a god, just for a few moments. Forget about the crowds, the size of the school, their fancy uniforms, and remember what got you here. If you put your effort and concentration into playing to your potential, to be the best that you can be, I don't care what the scoreboard says at the end of the game, in my book, we're going to be winners.
Let's win this. Home of the legendary New York Knicks.
Bailey, you going to try something new tonight like trying to coach?
But this season, the Knicks suck.
It is the NBA, boy. fans allowed, but you keep coming back.
Then fate.
Anyone who makes the free throw gets to be honorary coach for the second half.
Lent them a hand.
Look at that. She's good as gold. The fans love her.
Hey, you with the $1.99.
Shake it off, go.
It's okay, baby. Play ball.
Hey, bro, you got a mismatch on the high school kid. Take him out.
Come on. I got you. Go, shake, set it up. Here it comes. Pick right, go. Pick right. Pick right. Welcome to the big league, schoolboy. Didn't you hear me call pick right?
Now, fuck that, go. Take him to the butter.
I want to find out how good you are, chump.
Come on! Come on!
I'm your white shadow.
I have a business proposal for you, as if you don't mind hustling.
What kind of hustle?
$500, baby, and you can pick my teammate.
Give him the chump.
You mean play basketball?
Hey, pretty boy, I got something for you.
Shut your anorexic, malnutrition, tapeworm having, overdose, Dick Gregory, Bahamian diet drinking ass up. Give me my money. I seen you hustle.
Hey, I never used no goofy white mother. Hey, who you calling goofy white mother? You goofy.
If they had anything left, they brought it to the court.
Your boys don't need practice, they need prison.
Good afternoon, young men.
Are you some preacher, man? Cause God ain't gonna do you no good in this neighborhood.
Leave the gym.
I ain't scared of nobody. Cause I'll lay you out.
I don't think so.
Teachers ain't supposed to touch students.
I'm not a teacher. I'm the new basketball coach.
Now they have a choice.
In Richmond, you're 80% more likely to go to prison than college. This contract states that you will maintain a 2.3 grade point average, and you will wear ties on game day.
Between surviving alone.
This is basketball, man.
These boys are student athletes. Student comes first.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
And standing together.
If one man struggles, the entire team struggles.